Okay. Hello everyone, and you all are welcome to Nindo Club recorded story session. So, I say hello to all my lovely Nindo Club kids. And as you know, because of the coronavirus, we cannot come to Piccolo for some time, and so we will share the storybooks, we'll share the lovely stories through this medium for some time. Okay? So, like every time I used to tell you some story, today I'll be telling you a story about your favorite thing. What's your favorite thing? Yes, your favorite toys. Yeah. Do you ever think that your toys can also talk to each other? Your toys can also feel cold or hot. Your toys can also take bath. But they can sometimes. Let's go through this storybook and you'll get answers to all your questions. Okay, so the storybook we are going to do today, the name of the storybook is Wanted, a Hot Water Bottle. Okay, this is the cover page of the storybook and this is the back page. The story is written by Mr. Ennett Blyton. Okay, so author of the story is Mr. Ennett Blyton. And who has made these beautiful illustrations, these beautiful pictures? This is the illustrator, and the name of the illustrator is Mr. Pam Story. What's the name? Mr. Pam Story. Okay, so let's start the story, shall we? So once upon a time, there were many toys who were talking to each other in the nursery, and they were all together because it was very cold. It was very cold, so they were all nice and together with each other, and they were talking quietly as it was night time and everybody else was sleeping in the house. So they were talking quietly, and suddenly they heard a tapping on the window. So they heard a tapping on the window and they saw a mini pixie. Do you know what's a pixie? Actually, a pixie is a small boy or a small girl like character, and it is talked about in the stories. वो stories में ही होते हैं. असली में we don't know they are or they are not, but they are always there in the stories. Okay, in some stories. So now what happened? This little pixie boy, he did the tapping on the window, and suddenly a bear, a toy bear whose name was Brownie, he came and he just opened the window pane to help him. And he said, "What is your problem, Pixie? Why are you tapping at the window pane again and again? What do you want?" So the pixie said, "I'm feeling very cold. It's very chilly outside." So Brownie said, "What can I do?" So for helping you. So Pixie said, "I have 12. We are 12 pixies in all, and we were all going through this lane through our rabbit carriage." तो rabbit का एक छोटा सा wheel carriage था जिसके छोटे छोटे wheels थे, carriage था, और उस पे सब पे बैठ के the pixies were sitting on that carriage and they all were going somewhere. Suddenly उसका wheel टूट गया and the pixies were all there. And now, because it was so chilling outside, they were feeling so cold and they could not help it what to do. So they all decided that we will ask for some help for some time, and one pixie will fix the carriage till that time. एक pixie carriage को ठीक करेगा और बाकी सब कोई help मांगेंगे so that they do not feel that chilly. Otherwise, how will they survive in that winters? So now Brownie, he went to all the toys that were there. All the toys. Can you see all the toys? Yes. So he asked all the toys, do you have something that we can give to the pixies so that they do not feel cold? So one toy said, you can call them inside and they can sit and sleep on our dollhouse. The dollhouse bed. Do you have dollhouses? Yes. So they said that all these pixies can sleep on the dollhouse, the warm, warm dollhouse bed, and they can go outside when the carriage is fixed. So when the brownie bear told it to the pixie boy, the pixie boy said, "No, all the pixies cannot come in. They fear from all of you, so they will not come in. So please give me something that I can take outside, and all of us can feel warm and cozy." So the brownie bear asked all the toys, and the toys said, thinking, why don't you give them the hot water bottle? You can give them a hot water bottle, and they can all feel nice, warm, and cozy in that water bottle. Till the time their carriage is not fixed, जब तक उनका carriage ठीक नहीं होता, they can all enjoy that warm bottle. Once it is fixed, they will return the bottle, and then they can all go. Yes. So now ये सभी toys किसके हैं? All these beautiful toys belong to a girl whose name is Annie. What's the name of the girl? Yes, you've heard it right. Annie. Okay, so now the brown bear, he went to Annie